Santiago from Spot Painting. How are you? So we work around the eastern suburbs mostly, lower North Shore. We have 10 guys around, 3 vans on the road. We're helping everyone. We do texture coatings, we do airless, we work interior, exterior, strata. Here we are in our big projects in Valcala Heights. So we're spraying part of the house and rolling half of the house. This area we're masking, removing the hardware, getting ready for the primer, and then finish the rest by hand.
Setting everything up. That's the Graco 390.
Okay guys, so we're ready to spray. We set up everything is masked and ready. We're using an extension. We try here and we set the pressure at 2500 psi. We're using a 410 tip and we're applying primer first. So in order to see all the imperfections, see the holes, then we apply the stain blocker, we have the primer, and then we fill, cover, followed by the enamel top coat. You can see we're doing a 50% overlap, and now this is what I'm talking about. You see all these imperfections here, so then this is the primer, follow with the caulking, filling all the holes, imperfections, and then we apply the enamel. So always be very careful with the extensions. With the extensions you will always have a spitting when you finish. So always try to start and finish when in somewhere where your area that will be painted. Always remember to overlap 50%. Don't put your hand and try to swivel. Always be straight. The amount of paint, 30 centimeters from the wall, and always walk. Don't do this because the paint will be uneven. Always walk from side to side or top to bottom, depending on how you're doing it. We spray this area, but you need to back roll to make sure you fill these holes. So fill these holes, and the only way to fill in that is to back rolling, to putting pressure with the roller. Thank you guys, I'll see you next week.